Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Fahad from Sargodha, Pakistan. It's my passion to teach the Holy Quran with Tajweed. I started my journey to teach the Holy Quran just after completion of my Quran memorization. I have more than 12-year experience in teaching Holy Quran and the basic Tajweed and Quran memorization as well. A lot of my students have completed their courses like Quran reading after completion of their basic qaida with Tajweed, Ismin, with proper pronunciation and place of articulation of its letters. And many of my students are learning Quran memorization. And they are highly satisfied with my teaching style. Because my teaching style is very easy, attractive, and informative, so everyone can understand easily because I use different techniques like storytelling method, comparative study, and the question answering in my lessons. So, if you are looking for a teacher who can give you an atmosphere in which you can encourage your learning, so what are you waiting for? Book a lesson and take a trial. Let's listen to my Quran recitation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور